Welcome to Tech Unbox Pro, and today we are back with another exciting smartphone review. In this video, we are taking a detailed look at the brand new Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G, a phone that is creating massive hype in the mid-range segment for 2026. Starting with the design, the Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G comes with a very premium look and feel. The back panel has a glass finish with a matte texture that resists fingerprints, and the camera module looks clean and modern. The phone feels solid in hand and gives you a flagship-level experience even before you turn the screen on. Now let's talk about the display, because this is one of the biggest highlights of this phone. The Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G features a 6.8-inch Super AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. The colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and the brightness level is excellent for both indoor and outdoor usage. Whether you are watching YouTube, Netflix, or scrolling social media, the experience is super smooth and premium. Coming to performance, Samsung has packed this phone with a very powerful processor, making it perfect for multitasking and gaming. You can easily play heavy games like PUBG, BGMI, Call of Duty, and Genshin Impact on high settings without any major lag. The phone also comes with up to 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage, which means performance is not going to be an issue for power users. Now let's talk about the camera, because this is where the Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G really shines. The phone features a 200 megapixels main camera, supported by ultra-wide and macro sensors. The photos come out very sharp, detailed, and well-balanced in both daylight and low-light conditions. Portrait mode works great, edge detection is accurate, and night mode significantly improves low-light photography. For video, you get 4K recording with good stabilization, which is perfect for content creators and vloggers. Battery life is another strong point of this device. The Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G is powered by a massive 7000 mAh battery, which can easily last more than one full day even with heavy usage. And with 65W fast charging, the phone charges from 0 to around 70% in just about 30 minutes. On the software side, you get Samsung One UI based on Android 14/15, which is clean, smooth, and packed with useful features. You get Samsung Knox security, privacy controls, always-on display, and long-term software updates, which is a big advantage over many other brands. So the big question is the Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G worth buying in 2026? The answer is yes. If you are looking for a phone with a premium display, powerful performance, flagship-level camera, and excellent battery life, then the Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G is one of the best mid-range smartphones you can buy right now. This phone is perfect for gamers, students, content creators, and anyone who wants a future-proof 5G smartphone. And that's it for today's detailed review. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. This is Tech Unbox Pro, and I'll see you in the next video. Rock it!